Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 6 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses including this as well. So guys, these are completely our probable solutions. We will let you know if there is any change in solution that come to our notice, and you can please suggest your solutions as well in the comment section. Guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you may miss some content if I change any solution in between. First question: if n is a positive number, what is the output of the function given input n? So for first question, first option is the probable solution, guys. Sum of numbers from 1 to n. Next. So second one, assertion and reason. Guys, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. And if you got benefited through our channel, definitely subscribe our channel and definitely like the video, guys. If you like the video, our videos will reach further more number of students like you, so that they will also get benefited like you, right? And please share this with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp and official groups. So if a recursive function does not have a base case, it may never stop. It is absolutely true. Next one, recursion means that a function calls itself. So it is also true, but if you see here, reason does not justify the assertion, because they are telling the meaning of what is the recursion, but they are telling that, but they are not addressing about the base case. If there is no base case, it will not stop, but they are not explaining why that exactly doesn't happen. They're just explaining about what is recursion, that's it. So in my view, I am going with second option. Both a and a are true, but or is not the correct explanation of a. They are not telling what is without base case what happens. They're just telling about what is the meaning of the recursion, that's it. Next, third one. So for third question, we have got the answer as error, guys. Error. Next, fourth question. Guys, the programming assignment solutions will also be given in the same video, so don't skip the video and watch the video till the end. So for fourth question, first option is the probable solutions that we have got. Next, fifth one. Guys, before getting into this fifth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course The Joy of Computing using Python, we have collected past NPTEL assignment MCQs with 5 years of experience. We have collected this. Here you are going to get a huge number of 125 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person it is 150 rupees, guys. For 5 persons, combinedly 500 rupees, guys. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So this is the mail ID, guys. Remember, only if you are confirmed to make the purchase, then only mail us, guys. Already many students have started taking this pack. So bk179417@gmail.com. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do join the pack. So one person from your group mail me to this email ID. For one person it is 150 rupees. For 5 persons combined 500. So till the exam results day you will continue to have the access, guys. So now let's go move back to the solutions. Fifth one. For fifth question, first option is the probable solution. Yes, it can be done. Next, sixth question. Suppose you suspect that a piece of ciphertext was produced using a simple substitution cipher. Under which circumstances might frequency analysis fail to yield accurate results? So for sixth question, we have got two probable solutions. First option and second option. Next, seventh one. So if suppose the variable name is dict underscore name, it is suppose it is a non-empty dictionary. What does dict name dot values return? So third option is the probable solution, guys. Returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. Next, eighth one. Assertion. A Caesar cipher is a type of substitution cipher. So the reason in a Caesar cipher, each letter in the plain text is replaced by a letter at a fixed shift in the alphabet, similar to substitution. So it is completely explaining the reason I completely explaining the assertion. So first option, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, ninth one, which outcome generally follows from providing a proper base case in a recursive function? So for ninth question, I have got two probable solutions. The first one, the function returns a predefined result when the base condition is met. And the second one, it prevents infinite recursion and stops when a specific condition is met. Guys, before moving into the 10th question, let's first see the solutions, programming solutions, and finally we can show let's go into the 10th one, right? So, week 6 programming assignment 1. So, I will show you the code, guys. So, note it down or you can take a screenshot of that. So, this is the code, guys. So, this is the code. Definition, find underscore kth smallest. So, it takes two parameters, array and k. So, don't forget to give the exact indentation, guys. So, this is the code. So, each and every letter should be written carefully. So, type it very carefully, guys. So, do follow the indentation rules, right? So, you can avoid these comments, guys. You can avoid these green color comments and you can write the remaining code. You can ignore these comments. So, hope you have noted it down. So, this is the code. Now, let's execute that. So, I have already executed that. It gave me the correct answer as well. So, here you can see all the test cases are passed, right? Now, let's click on submit button to check public test case. So, public test cases. So, these three also passed. So, our solution is 100% correct. Once again, check this, guys. This is the code. Right? Now, let's move on to the second question. So, second programming solution, I will show you the code now. So, I have zoomed this for you. So, this is the code, guys. So, do follow the indentation as usual. So, under this if condition, return 0. And this return should be in the same line with if condition. This is the outer return function. This is inner return function or inner return keyword, right? So you can ignore this comments, case. No need to use these comments. So I will show you how it executes. So here you can see all the test cases 3 by 3 passed, public test cases. Now let's click on submit button to check whether private test cases are passed or not. So now let's check it. So here you can see private test cases are also passed. So guys, you can take a screenshot. Guys, some are asking for the code to paste in the comment section or in a file, text file. So that will not be the correct approach, because if you type this on your own, you can get to know about the indentation in depth, and you can get to know about all the keywords what you are using. So you can get, if you make any error, you will get to know the meaning of that as well. So you can type it on your own by seeing the code, so that you can get to know more about the syntax as well. So please do that on your own, guys. So this is my sincere request for you. right? Hope you have noted down. So hope you have noted it down, guys. So now let's move on to the third question. So third one. So this is the code for third question. Already they have given this function. Remaining you have to write from here to here. So you can ignore these comments as well, guys. Green color comments. So this is the code. You can take a screenshot of this or not. It's your wish, guys. You can take a screenshot or you can pause the video here itself and you can note it down. Right? So hope you have noted it down. Now let's go into the solution. So we have very less time to finish the video. So that's why we are just showing you the code in a quick manner. So here you can see all the status are passed. So 3 by 3 public test cases passed. Now let's see whether private test cases passed or not by clicking on this submit button. Guys, only if you click the submit button, then only the code will take it. So third program. So here also all the three private test cases are also passed. So all these three solutions are 100% correct. Now let's see the first question. I mean 10th question MCQ solution. In a standard 3 by 3 tic-tac-toe board, how many distinct winning lines, rows, columns or diagonals pass through the center square? So probable solution is 4, guys. Fourth option. So these are the probable solutions for week 6 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to purchase this huge number of 125 MCQs Google Drive PDF restricted link pack. For one person it is 150 rupees. For 5 persons combined 500 rupees, guys. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.